following message is transmitted at the request of the New Mexico State Police. The New Mexico State Police is searching for Holly White, white female, 13 months old, born February 16, 2009, 21 pounds, approximately 30 inches tall, blonde hair, blue eyes, and last seen wearing a bright pink beanie, a white jacket with pink dots and pink pants. Police are looking for Walter White, white male, 51 years old, date of birth, September 7, 1958, 5 foot 11 inches, 167 pounds, bald and green eyes. In his abduction, the suspect is driving a blue and gray 1964 Chevrolet pickup truck with New Mexico license plate number P3Q5S6. The suspect was last heard from in Albuquerque. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the New Mexico State Police at 505-841-9256. News media point of contact is New Mexico State Police at 505-841-9256.